So a few days ago, I posted a video about the problem I'm having with my AD600 light, which is the part where you have to put your umbrella and hold it. So when I talked about it, a lot of persons had to say they have that same problem. So to fix that problem, somebody came into my DM and told me how his own was fixed. See me trying to fix it now. See my hand. I got my hand wounded, seriously wounded. So the best thing that you can do for me in this video is to just tell me a good thank you and share it to your status or tag somebody to see this video, because it seems like your problem has been solved 80%. I cannot tell you 100% because I don't know how long that will last for you, but me, I believe this will last long. This is my 2 AD600. I've been using this one for like 3 years plus. No, I've been using this one for 4 years plus. This one 3 years plus. So as you can see, this thing happened this year, so I've tried my own at least. So let's go straight into how I fixed it. Here I have 2 different AD600. This has just the screw worn out. This has the screw, the part, the bolt has gone off. So in these 2 cases, somebody showed me how to fix this, and I also remembered there could be a way to fix this. So what I did was I went to look for my black stand. My black stand that is like this. It has a screw like this. As you can see, this is how my black stand looks. This is the black stand here. This is the one from the black stand. So all this time, one thing I noticed is that Godox and many other companies that produce light and all, they have 2 different screws that work more, that they have more like default to all their whatever they produce. So this would work for one of the lights, so I had to remove it. So this particular one was going to work for this light, because once that thing was removed, the mouth now became bigger to carry the bigger screw. So for this other one, what I did was, I don't normally use my SK, my direct powered light, for my main light. So I did not even think about it before I had to remove this from my SK. So my SK400, yes, my SK400 has this screw for the umbrella, so I removed it. So now I am going to use it for this. So you see, it's working perfectly. If you think I'm lying, I'm going to show you how it looks. Look at it going inside perfectly to the wall. Now it's tight. It's tight. The same thing goes here. Same thing goes here. Now it's tight. So your problem has been fixed 80%, because we all want to use it for our umbrella. We like using our umbrella for main light, so we want to use it. So hope this has fixed what you have been hoping to fix, because if you are hoping for the company to come and do this, the company will never do it. So I have done this to help everybody in my situation. Once again, do it to drop a thank you, do well to share this video, do well to tag people to see it, so every photographer's problem can be fixed from here. Thank you, and see you in my next video.